Yeah, so because of our status with YouTube, we get TSA pre-check. Kind of sick. It's not easy being famous, you know, it's not easy having millions of followers, but yeah, we're here at the Centurion Lounge. Yeah, it's another thing that we get perks. It's a YouTube thing. You wouldn't get it. We're on the way to Wyoming to pick up a tractor, and we're gonna drive it back to North Carolina. It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Are you stoked? Yeah, I'm stoked too.
So we're getting a Kubota tractor with various attachments on it. We got very lucky. A subscriber reached out to us and wanted to give us this tractor. And all we had to do was just like make a video of our travels and show us bringing it back. So yeah, thank you.
There's a winter storm coming through, and it's going to hit the Midwest. And inconveniently, that's where our route is taking us. So we're going to have to go south, probably through Oklahoma, and then cut east. I'm just going to continue eating the free stuff that I get for free for being super famous, you know? All right. Oh God.
Originally Georgia, but I graduated here.
I look like this. You let me walk around the airport like this. 2017.
Well, here we are. We've picked up the truck. It's like 3 degrees outside and snowing a little bit. Here we are. This is the tractor trailer. Well, we'll be seeing you guys shortly. Let's go.
She should close her jacket.
Oh my gosh, Nate. That's bad.
Why don't you close your jacket?
That's bad. I will. We're not in North Carolina anymore. Oh my goodness, it's not even that bad to be honest with you, but the wind is just insane. The snow. I don't want to put, too much of their stuff on there, but like their place.
So we're on the road. We got the tractor in tow.
Very, very grateful.
Yeah, GPS. So there's kind of a storm going on. It's the 8th of January right now. So you look at the weather forecast for the Midwest, because we're going from Wyoming, North Carolina. But there's a huge storm coming. And so this morning there was a blizzard that was south that moved up through Amarillo, but it's moving east, like northeast. So what we're gonna do is it's gonna add 3 hours to our trip total. We're just gonna go south to Amarillo, Texas, and then take I-20, straight shot all the way. So that's what our plan is. Hopefully we don't hit any crazy storms, but I mean, as you can see, look at the roads right now. But yeah.
I just want to say thank you so much to that subscriber.
Oh, huge.
That very generous subscriber they just gave us that tractor and all the various attachments. We are very grateful.
Extremely
very
grateful.
blessed. I feel very blessed.
Yeah.
So
it's gonna help a lot on the Sleepy Moon.
it's part of the Sleepy Moon now. We're in Colorado.
Big CO. Tractor's holding on real good, huh?
Did you check it?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
It's not going anywhere. Okay, so we're in the back of the U-Haul truck right now. Truck went off the road about an hour ago, but we've got about a week's worth of food, water, blankets, warm clothes. We'll be just fine. Yep, we're in Kansas in a blizzard. Let's get back to the cab. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, it's icy. Come on, sweetie. Alright, sweetie, you ready? You alright?
Yeah.
That was decent outside, huh? You're kind of cute. You're kind of... Oh. Oh. I'm thinking we can I get some insulation in here? And then hunker down.
Not bad.
Yeah. Maybe we can move some of this food. Some of this food and stuff. We got food. And we can cuddle. And use the cooler as a roof for cuddling. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm in the U-Haul right now. I'm waiting for Nathan to so we took the tractor out and he's making a path. So hopefully when we get traction I can just go on the path and I'm not driving on snow. Let's see if this works.
Unstuck! Let's go! Let's go, buddy! Let's go, buddy! Oh, man. Buddy! Just Take a look. We're back on the road. That was sick.
Let me show you guys.
That's where we were stuck at. Where we went off the road.
That's where we were at.
Back on the road. That's where we were. That's where we spent the night. Oh, buddy. Extremely effective trip so far. What do you think, baby?
We're on the road again.
Yeah, she crushed that. So first of all, she was driving last night. We lost control, and she, as you can see here, there's like some deep ditches. I don't know if we would have gotten out of that. But she steered us in the right direction. We couldn't stay on the road for some reason, but she saved us. She made sure we didn't take any, injuries or anything. And then this morning, she was driving right here in the cockpit. And yeah, I lifted up the back of the trailer with the tractor, and she was just gunning it. Stabilitrack off, traction control off. Boom! Now we're back on the road. Still in Kansas though.
Now, we're stuck here in Kansas. We're in this little town called Lakin in southwestern Kansas,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
when we got unstuck, we drove to this town, Lakin, and the roads leaving everywhere
Yep.
are closed.
Yeah, because we're trying to go east. The roads going north, east, and south are closed. And the road going back where we came from is open, but then it's closed at the Kansas border.
Yeah.
So I think sometime like maybe midnight or something, like we crossed the border into Kansas, and then they closed the road because we got on it.
Yeah, I think that's what happened too.
But check out that line. They say that they're going to open up the roads at 3, but maybe not till tomorrow. So we'll see. We might have to get a hotel here for the night.
Hunker down.
That's right. Better than sleeping in the cab of this old junk. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, back on the road. So we're gonna have to cut south all the way to Oklahoma City.
Yeah, they just opened the roads and they don't look too bad. So. On the road again. We're in Kansas.
See the orange marker on it?
Yeah, some of them have.
Yeah, the orange marker. That's a nice.
That's a nice
It's a
platform.
nice kit right here. Nice kit right here. We're in Buckland, Kansas.
Still in Kansas.
Buckland, Kansas. I have
Wow.
to turn on to Main Street, see what's going on down here.
Oh! Don't know if I got that on camera.
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma.
It's a rest stop next to a little nice little farm there.
Where the hills are super green.
That's right. That's what they call it. They actually, the Microsoft Office or the Microsoft Windows XP.
They use this.
Yeah, that picture was right here.
Yeah.
I actually took that picture when I was 6 years old, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, it's right here.
What town is this?
Ooh,
Oh.
couldn't tell you. Let's look around. We'll see the name.
Covington.
Oklahoma City.
Can't see me. We are in eastern Arkansas right now. It is 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm gonna take a nap. I look all cracked out.
Yeah.
We're in Alabama.
Oh, Birmingham.
Oh yeah.
Look at that skyline. That's sick. There's like 3 buildings out there.
it to Georgia.
Hey, what up, dude?
We made it to Georgia. We didn't get much footage through Alabama. It's alright. It's a bunch of trees. You guys didn't miss anything anyways. There's a Qdoba tractor. Just gonna continue mission. Keep going on the road. Finally made it to Georgia.
It's gonna look like the my empty is gonna be like 5,300 pounds, I think. ATL. I got hoes in Atlanta.
We gotta cut that out.
I'm not cutting anything out.
Right there in the barn, Jones.
Hey everybody, more North Carolina.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home.
So when we were gone getting our tractor, we hired some guys to come out and pull out all the roots that are in the land here. This is going to be where our arena is going to be. You know, I mean, you saw that video. And you can see the difference here, just like the quality of the sand that's out there. I feel like a newscaster. I'm like, as you can see. But yeah, man, I mean, this is pretty much what it looks like.
There's still some leftover. What is this?
That's a root.
There's
That's like a
some
stump.
residual roots. But I mean, I wouldn't mind dragging this, and I'm not falling off of a bull, but I wouldn't mind hopping off. You know what I mean on this?
That's right. That's right. You wait. You don't fall off bulls?
I hop off like that.
Yeah, on both feet. One more time. Boom.
Thanks for watching. We made it back home safe. Safely landed on the moon. And stay tuned for more updates
That's right.
for the Sleeping Moon Ranch.
Yep. More to come. More to follow. Rome
More to
wasn't.
follow.
Yeah. More to. Yeah. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Progress is progress, no matter how small.
That's right. Is that right? Yeah. How many more sayings do you think we can toss in before the end of the video?